Olympic medalist, India's first female badminton player to become world number one, Arjuna Awardee, Khel Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, India's pride, Bharat ki beti, Saina Nehwal, welcome to Geoleap.
Thank you so much, sir.
I would like to ask you the first question. Why would you like sumo wrestling? I know you like karate, but why would you like sumo wrestling? I mean, as India, we don't even play that sport unless you are a secret Indian sumo wrestling champion. But why this love for karate and sumo wrestling?
I think it was just when I was really small and when I was like 7-8 years old, I used to love playing all kind of sports. ये नहीं था कि मुझे किसी भी फील्ड में प्रोफेशनली जाना है या बच्चों का क्या ऑप्शन ड्रीम रहता है कि आई थिंक जस्ट स्टडी वेल एंड प्ले विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड कम बैक होम ईट स्लीप, बस उतना ही मेरा भी सपने थे. आई यूज्ड टू प्ले विद माय फ्रेंड्स एंड डेफिनेटली वॉच माय पेरेंट्स प्ले बैडमिंटन. वो हरियाणा में खेलते थे, क्लब में खेलते थे अपने उनके फ्रेंड्स के साथ. तो मुझे लगता था आई विल प्ले एनी स्पोर्ट बट बैडमिंटन नहीं खेलूँगी. सो उधर ऑमलेट खा के मैं भाग जाती थी और आई यूज्ड टू जस्ट गो ऑफ टू प्ले विद माई फ्रेंड्स. मतलब स्विमिंग कुछ कर लिया या टेबल टेनिस खेल लिया. कंपटीशन फीलिंग तो आई डोंट नो हाउ बट बचपन से बहुत कंपटीशन फीलिंग था, वेदर इट्स अ बॉय और अ गर्ल. मैं ज़्यादा ध्यान नहीं देती थी, बट वॉट वॉज इन माई माइंड इज़ ऑलवेज टू डू वेल, टू बी द बेस्ट. ऑफकोर्स आई नेवर थॉट कि माई जर्नी विल टेक मी टू बैडमिंटन समडे, बट इट वॉज जस्ट लाइक कोई भी स्पोर्ट में खेलना है, अच्छा बेस्ट करना है मेरे फ्रेंड्स के साथ, एंड दैट्स ऑल. एंड वन फाइन डे Papa got promoted and he, I don't know, got the options of 5 places and I don't know why he chose Hyderabad. क्योंकि नॉर्थ इंडियंस हैं एंड सडनली शिफ्ट टू साउथ एंड लैंग्वेज डिफरेंस.
ओरिजिनली कम फ्रॉम
हरियाणा, हिसार. तो बहुत डिफरेंस हो जाएगा एंड वी वर आई वाज जस्ट लाइक मेरे फ्रेंड्स मिस हो जाएंगे ये सब. मतलब मेरे थॉट वाज ऑल दैट, बट समहाउ आई गॉट व्हेन आई शिफ्टेड टू हैदराबाद आई मिस माई फ्रेंड्स एंड कुछ स्पोर्ट खेलने के लिए नहीं था यहाँ पे एंड आई वाज मिसिंग इट बैडली एंड आई वाज लाइक पापा कुछ मुझे करना है. आई आफ्टर स्कूल आई वांट टू डू समथिंग. आई कांट जस्ट सिट एट होम एंड पढ़ाई तो होगी, अब कुछ और भी मुझे करना है. तो देन दैट्स हाउ आई स्टार्टेड कराटे. तो मुझे कराटे बहुत इंटरेस्ट, मेरे घर के पास ही क्लासेस चल रही थी तो मुझे उसमें बहुत इंटरेस्ट आया. उसमें भी मुझे काफ़ी हद तक जो फाइट्स होती हैं बॉयज़ के साथ फाइट्स करी मैंने टू बिकम रियली स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड उनको भी हराएंगे. ऐसा मेरा एटीट्यूड वाज जस्ट लाइक दैट. अच्छा सीखना है, वॉट एवर माई कोच सेज आई हैव टू डू इट एंड आई हैव टू शो हिम के मैं लड़कों से भी कम नहीं हूँ. सो दैट्स हाउ मैंने टीवी पे भी सुमो रेसलिंग स्टार्ट कर दिया वॉच करना एंड आई वाज लाइक ओ माय गॉड, ऑफ कोर्स दे आर ह्यूज एंड बिग एंड मतलब इंटरेस्ट था मुझे वो देखने के लिए. एंड एज टू समहाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाई बिकॉज ऑफ कराटे ये पसंद हुआ मुझे, आई डोंट नो, लेकिन मुझे वो फाइट्स अच्छे लगने लगे.
बट यू लाइक द कॉम्बैट.
यस,
यू लाइक द
फाइट्स अच्छे लगने लगे,
द फाइट, द बैटल
एंड
दिस होल combat battle sort of spirit.
जी.
Do you think that also influenced your badminton, the way you played, the approach, your style?
I think it was not because I started watching it, but I was somewhere, it was there within me. I always liked to compete and it's I think that's what has got me to the number 1 in the world position. Otherwise if you're not competitive it's very tough to fight and show the opponent what you are, because I've played for so many years. इतने सारे मैंने मेरे जो कलीग्स भी थे, जो अपोनेंट्स भी थे, उनको मैंने देखा है गिव अप करते हुए और उनको लगा कि शायद हम कंटिन्यू नहीं कर पाएंगे. तो इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ वो फाइटिंग स्पिरिट लैक करते थे. ऑफ कोर्स पढ़ाई का तो इशू रहता ही है हमारे कंट्री में. थोड़ा से काफ़ी लोग इंटरेस्टेड हैं कि हम इंजीनियर बने या डॉक्टर बने. तो लकीली आई कुड pursue it as my career and मेरी मम्मी ने मुझे काफ़ी पुश किया. इट वाज नॉट ईजी कि खुद का वो जो कॉन्फिडेंस या कॉम्पिटिटिव फीलिंग है उसने अकेले ने मुझे इतना दूर लेके गया इज़ नॉट द ओनली पॉइंट. आई थिंक माई मॉम वाज समवन हु वाज अ बिग स्पोर्ट फैन. शी यूज्ड टू लव स्टेफी ग्राफ. टेनिस की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन थी मम्मी. तो उनको लगा कि समवेयर आई वांट टू सी साइना एज ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट एंड दैट टू एट द एज ऑफ 9 when she took me to the summer camp for badminton in 99 and within few days she was like I want to see you as Olympic medalist. I was like ये तो ठीक है लेकिन in a game like badminton I didn't have any role model. मुझे पता नहीं था कि कोई बैडमिंटन में भी ओलंपिक मेडल लेके आ सकता है.
But your mother also played badminton at a fairly
या
high,
लाइक
decent level?
डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, यू नो
District
शी
level,
वाज नॉट मतलब उतने हाई लेवल पे नहीं
हाँ,
पहुंच पाई,
हाँ.
बट शी वाज अ बिग स्पोर्ट्स फैन. उनको काफ़ी हद तक हॉकी देखना पसंद था, बैडमिंटन में इंटरेस्ट था, टेनिस में इंटरेस्ट था. एंड शी वाज लाइक इसको तो कुछ बना के ही रहना है. एंड आई शुड लाफ एट हर सेइंग दैट मेरा कोई रोल मॉडल नहीं है. बैडमिंटन क्या प्रोफेशनल लूँगी, पापा साइंटिस्ट है सो आई हैव टू बिकम अ डॉक्टर. दैट वाज द ओनली एम कि मैं भी साइंटिस्ट के साइड में जाऊँगी या कुछ ऐसा. बट आई डेंट नो कि उनका जो विजन था एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम, दैट शी इज़ टू थिंक फॉर मी कि इसको ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट बनाना है, इसको वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 बनाना है इन ए स्पोर्ट वेयर टोटली डोमिनेटेड बाय चाइना, कोरिया, जापान. एंड दिस बिफोर मी देयर वाज नो गर्ल इवन क्रॉसिंग फर्स्ट राउंड फ्रॉम इंडिया. एंड मैं कैसे सोच सकती थी कि मैं एक ओलंपिक मेडल लेके आऊँगी इसमें. एंड आई शुड लाफ एट हर, बट शी वाज समवन हू यूज्ड टू बी वेरी वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट विद मी. एंड लकीली हाउसवाइफ हैं तो शी कुड गिव लॉट ऑफ टाइम टेक मी टू मतलब एवरीडे स्कूल के बाद या पहले. शी यूज्ड टू आल्सो हेल्प मी go to the stadium which was 25 kilometers away, and it was like great challenge because at that point of time मुझे एग्ज़ाम्स भी रहते थे, मुझे रेगुलर स्कूल भी जाना था. एंड शी मेड श्योर कि मुझे उसके बाद वो स्टेडियम ले जाए. एंड मॉर्निंग में शी यूज्ड टू डिस्कस विद माई फादर के I don't know anything, but you have to take her to the stadium at 4:30 in the morning. She has that, competitive feeling, and a lot of the coaches like her attitude, and she definitely has it in her to be the best in the world.
How did you sort of think that badminton is my talent? Because clearly, the way you led your life, if you had applied yourself to anything else, I think you would have succeeded to a fair extent,
Yes.
right? So, talent and badminton, how did that start?
The kind of hard work I used to do and hard work I used to put in badminton, I definitely could have done anything, जैसे वो confidence तो था ही मुझ में. लेकिन I feel talent wise, I will not say that I was the most talented sports person. I definitely will say someone like Roger Federer or Tai Tzu-ying, or there are many Koreans who were very talented players. They had naturally very beautiful wrist, the way they used to play the game, very good skill. And I used to be someone who is just like, it's okay, whoever is against me, who is my opponent, I really have to make myself so strong that I don't leave the shuttle on court. My only agenda was to be the best in my fitness, because I knew that somehow my stamina was really, really good, and I could pick up a lot of shuttles. I could make my opponent tired on the court, and that's what was my quality was. And I was like, what I have to work on is on my skills. I have to, if my opponent is very skillful and she is doing it for 100 times, I am going to do it 1,000 times, but I won't give up. I really want that stroke to be so good that अगर नींद से उठ के भी मेरे कोच ने बोला I have to play that stroke, it has to fall perfectly. So it's not about talent. I think it's about how much efforts you put in to be the best, and how much hard work you have to do to be the best. It's not like you are born talented. आपको जब भी मालूम होता है जब आप कुछ एज के बाद कितनी मेहनत आप उसमें डाल रहे हैं और आपका लक्ष्य क्या है. बट इनिशियली तो आपको कुछ पता नहीं, बच्चों को क्या मालूम होगा. ओनली आई वुड से पेरेंट्स आर समवन हु कैन रियली टेक यू टू दैट गोल. क्योंकि अगर 8-9 ईयर्स में आपके पेरेंट्स का वो गोल है कि आपको ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट देखना चाहते हैं या वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 देखना चाहते हैं, तो आई कैन प्राउडली से कि टुडे आई एम सिटिंग हियर साइना नेहवाल, वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 बैडमिंटन प्लेयर, एंड अचीव्ड सो मच, 24 इंटरनेशनल टाइटल्स, ओलंपिक मेडलिस्ट, हैविंग who can believe that कि आप सुपर सीरीज जीत सकते हैं बैडमिंटन में, हैविंग 10 top 10 चाइनीज के बीच में एक इंडियन and एक डेनमार्क प्लेयर. हाउ इज इट इवन पॉसिबल? इट्स ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ हर विजन एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. ऑफकोर्स जब मैं 12-13 की हुई तो समहाउ आई गॉट इट इन मी कि मुझे बेस्ट बनना है, बिकॉज आई वॉज द यंगेस्ट टू बी इन द इंडियन टीम. एट द एज ऑफ 12 आई वॉज ऑलरेडी प्लेइंग थॉमस यूबर कप. I was with the best of the Indian team players, and I was actually seeing the best of international players, and I was like, she's world number 1, she's working hard so much, why can't I do it? So immediately मैंने वो मैच जो थॉमस यूबर कप के मैचेस चल रहे थे, मुझे मेरा सेकंड सिंगल्स था, फर्स्ट वाज अपर्णा पोपट एट दैट पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम. तो मैं मैच के बाद जाके आई यूज्ड टू रन फॉर एन आवर. आई वाज लाइक, एक दिन मुझे इनके जैसा बनना है, मुझे बेस्ट बनना है. तो दैट समहाउ गॉट इट इन मी एज वेल, एंड आई वाज लाइक, नाउ it's my dream also to be the best in the world and to achieve that world number one feeling.
That pursuit of being the best in the world.
Yes,
I think then you choose your talent and just give everything to it.
Yes, definitely.
And you will succeed.
And it will only happen अगर someone is actually living your dream at that point of time. क्योंकि आप 9-10 साल में I can still say कि मेरा तो सपने थे कि सब कुछ बन जाऊँ, लेकिन it's not going to happen, only your parents can see your future.
Correct,
so,
and you say that there are some things in life that you just cannot do alone.
Yes.
And when you said that, you meant about your support system and your ecosystem around that.
Correct.
And of course, your parents have played a big role.
Ji.
And I'm sure your colleagues, your fellow sort of players, your coaches,
Ji.
your family and friends, all of them would have played a very important role. So give us some sense of how this ecosystem helped you to become who you are.
I think आजकल के players को जो at the age of 7-8 मिल जाता है, they have the best of the Indonesian coaches, they have the best of the physios and the trainers and nutrition and dietitian, what all, at that point of time, I didn't have anyone. I just had my mother, my father, and coaches were not like, now Gopi sir is there, and there's a lot of Indonesians and a lot of Koreans who are there as the coaches. At that point of time, I had 2 good coaches, and SM Arif sir and Govardhan Reddy. These 2 were my coaches. They were like thinking कि साइना अच्छी national champion बन जाए and state champion बन जाए, and that's what our aim was. I didn't know about physio till the age of 19. मुझे पता नहीं था कि physio क्या होता है till the age of 19.
And then you were playing India at the age of 12.
And I was playing India. I won the first Philippine Open title. I played the Olympics. I reached quarterfinals. I won the World Juniors. I won the Junior Commonwealth Games. I team event में Senior Commonwealth में we got the first bronze medal. So all this happened without a physio and a trainer. And I didn't even know कि कितना best food खाना है to be the best player in the world. And I was already, by the time 19, I would say I was already in top 5. I was world number 2.
Your nutrition was aloo paratha and 2 glasses of milk every
I
day?
was a vegetarian, I was having that till the age of 14-15. When Gopi sir came in, when he retired from badminton, he was someone who told us that ऐसे नहीं चलेगा, you'll have to have something really good, because he was the only one who, at the point I started playing badminton, he won the All England Championship at that point of time, and he trained outside as well. So he was like, ऐसे खाने से नहीं होगा, you will not be able to perform well. And that day I got to know ऐसा भी होता है कुछ, there's something called कि food से भी कुछ होता है.
Unimaginable in today's
this thing, everything is taken care of at the age of 8 or 9.
Yeah.
But at that point, at 14, I got to know. By the time I was already in the senior team, and I was like, ये सब चीज़ अगर ये time पे होती मैं, तो it was like, who knows, at the age of 18 only I could have got Olympic gold medal.
Of course.
किसी को नहीं मालूम कि ये चीज़ भी होती हैं, it was very, very, but it's good, it happened because of my performances. I could win back-to-back 3 Super Series title, and with Gopi's this thing, when he came in, he was like, you have to have right food, right amount of rest, and I was someone who used to work hard for almost 12 to 13 hours a day.
Wow.
And even my mom was so strict that she used to take me even on Sundays to train. So there was not even a single date for the body to actually take that proper rest. But that's fine, when you're 9, 10, 11, you can really push your body. And what you do in those 2-3 years will really help you in the long run. तो मेरा जो attitude था, I could push myself for 12, 13, 14 hours. Wow. And when Gopi came in, and he was like, itna training is not required. You're just pushing yourself too much. Yeah. Yes. You need to recover. You need to have proper food. You can train for 6 to 7 hours. Good amount of training is required. Right amount of training is required. And Sunday break low. You should take a break.
But that time you wanted to be the best in the world.
And I was like, ये सब क्या होता है? What is this rest? What is this? And then Kabhi, after getting into badminton, I actually never went to theatre, never went out, never went with any of my friends. सब कुछ बंद हो गया था, and it was only badminton and being the best. And of course, when he came in, there were so many corrections which he did. But still, when he came in, we still didn't have proper trainers and physios. It was only him who took care of us for the first 3-4 years. And when I changed I had to include some amount of protein and good food and all that. So I turned into non-veg, because आप international level खेलोगे तो आपको vegetarian food इतना easily नहीं मिलेगा बाहर. So when he came in, he just changed these few things, and then suddenly I was playing Olympics. I reached the quarterfinals. I won the Junior World Championships in Pune, and I was when I was going for my first Indonesia Open title in 2009, that's when I got a physio. And he was like, how could you even play for so many years without physio? मैंने कहा physio ही पहली बार सुना है मैंने, आप ये सब भी करते हैं. नहीं तो initially when I was really young, I was like 9-10. After the training sessions, I used to come home and my mom was someone who used to sit बिचारी पूरा night. She used to sit and massage me, thinking that she can train tomorrow properly, and her mind that her body is aching or she's having some soreness. So she used to be someone who used to really work hard so much, even in the nights, and sitting for me, thinking about my game. तो जो आपके लिए इतना सोचता है ना, तो आई फील कि डेफिनेटली आप उसे पूरा कर सकते हैं. थोड़ा बहुत आपका भी ऑब्वियसली वो इनपुट चाहिए, वो हार्ड वर्क चाहिए. बट आफ्टर 19 आई वाज लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, थिंग्स आर मच मोर इजियर नाउ. आई हैव फिजियो, आई हैव ट्रेनर आल्सो हु इज हेल्पिंग मी आउट. या
When you are growing up, did you live a normal life like a young girl, going to school, vacations, social life, hangouts, and then also played badminton? I mean, you did train hard,
Yeah.
you said. Do champions have to really sacrifice from that age if you want to become the best?
in my career, I would say 25 years हो गया है मुझे खेलते हुए, and कभी भी even my colleagues and all were like, I never took a holiday, I never went anywhere out. Yes, when I turned 24, 25, that's when हम Sundays को थोड़ा बहुत shopping के लिए चले जाते थे या खाना खाने के लिए चले जाते थे. But till the age of 25, I didn't do anything, and I was only playing tournaments, hotel tournaments.
Do you miss it?
I definitely not miss it now if I look back, because everyone wants to become Saina Nehwal. Everyone wants to stand on the podium and get medals for the country. किसको ऐसा मौका मिलता है? It's like everyone dreams of getting into army, and हमें वैसा मौका मिला है to serve the nation by playing a sport. तो मुझे when I look back, yes, कभी when I was playing really good back-to-back titles and all that, I used to feel यार normal life होती तो अच्छा लगता. कॉलेज जाते, movies जाते, ये करते वो करते. मैं कभी गुड़िया के साथ खेली भी नहीं हूँ. I was like यार बच्चे खेलते हैं आजकल वो, and कभी मुझे मौका मिला नहीं. But that's fine, today I'm someone who everyone looks up to. Today I am getting a chance to actually show my parents the world. And today when I'm taking them here and there, and people are like, आप छुट्टी बना रहे हो, आप ये कर रहे हो. But जो 25 years मैंने गेम को दिए हैं without taking a single break, I think everyone forgets that. I felt जो मेरे पेरेंट्स ने sacrifice किया है, उनको मुझे दुनिया दिखानी चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने मेरे लिए दुनिया देखी भी नहीं. और पापा could do that at any point of time. My parents could go and visit any place they wanted, but they didn't do, because they wanted to produce a champion. They wanted to give, they wanted to think कि साइना को कुछ बनाना है, और उन्होंने बनाया मुझे. And I feel proud कि उन्होंने मेरे लिए इतना sacrifice किया. My father ने he used to borrow money from his friends and take lot of loans from the bank कि साइना को tournament खेलने को मिल जाए, साइना को state tournaments के लिए ट्रेन के टिकट मिल जाए, या फ्लाइट का टिकट. तो आई टुक फर्स्ट इन 2003 ओनली, आफ्टर आई स्टार्टेड इन 99. सो फर्स्ट ट्रिप आई वेंट बाय प्लेन वाज इन 2003. सो इनिशियली ऑल दीज थिंग्स हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ हिज इंटरेस्ट. साइंटिस्ट होते हुए भी उन्होंने मेरे लिए इतना टाइम स्पेंड किया. ही यूज्ड टू गो टू ऑफिस फ्रॉम मॉर्निंग 9 to 5 तक.
Before that, he used to take you on a scooter.
4:30.
4:30
in the morning स्कूटर पे ले जाते थे. नींद उन्हें भी आती होगी, लेकिन उन्होंने मुझे पीछे पकड़ के लेके जाते थे, क्योंकि मैं ना सो जाऊँ. उसके बाद फिर लेके आते थे होल डे. एंड देन इवनिंग मम्मी यूज टू कम, बिकॉज उनको लगता था कि सेशन वॉज 3 o'clock, तो वो बहुत जल्दी हो जाएगा उनके लिए. सो मम्मी यूज टू कम 3 o'clock स्कूल को आ जाती थी. एंड बाय देन इवन माई स्कूल टीचर्स वर वेरी प्राउड ऑफ मी कि स्टेट चैम्पियन है या डिस्ट्रिक्ट चैम्पियन है. मेरे फोटोज़ आते थे न्यूज़पेपर में. सो दे यूज टू बी वेरी प्राउड कि हम साइना को हेल्प कर सकें at any this thing. We will definitely help her out. तो मुझे वो 2:30 भेज देते थे स्कूल से, so that I don't miss out my practice session. So 2:30 we used to go 25 kilometers again, and then come back only by 8:30 or 9 in the night.
Wow.
तो खा के फिर सो जाना, फिर 4:30 चले जाना. So that's how my life was for 2 years. And then I requested my father, पापा बहुत थोड़ा सा जो sleep time है वो कम हो रहा है, so maybe we should just go a little closer to the stadium. And that's how we got a house near to the stadium, so that I could sleep for a little bit more. I started playing at the international level. तो थोड़ा support मिला, भारत पेट्रोलियम से support मिला, and then Yonex family से support मिला. And that's when I started thinking कि yes, there is some future in badminton, and now I have good support from these few companies, and I think now I can play at the international level.
Really amazed that even after achieving so much, you give not just credit, but you remember their sacrifices.
When you have the chance, when your parents are saying, listen to them. I'm telling with experience. Of course, nowadays मैं ये भी बोलूँगी कि झटका लगना चाहिए इंसान को. Otherwise, they don't learn from when you tell them. You should experience things the way it is. But I can tell with my experience कि parents का definitely सुनना चाहिए. Then comes your coaches because they are always right. Imagine at the age of 9-10 when I just won state championship, my coach has written my name on his phone as world champion. Can you believe it?
Nice.
They have some vision for you. मे बी आपको जैसे मैंने बोला एक्सपीरियंस कीजिए जो आपके फेल्यूज हैं या आपके जो विंस हैं या सक्सेस है, बट एट द सेम टाइम लिसन टू देम बिकॉज समवेयर दे हैव द राइट विजन फॉर यू एंड आप क्या पता अचीव कर लें उसको.
But there is also another lesson for parents also. What your parents did for you. I think for all of us as parents, we also have to see, are we also going the extra mile?
Correct.
It is not just that we have to expect something from the child without us also going the extra mile and giving. That is fascinating. Also, there is emotional sacrifice that a champion has to go through. I remember your mother went through a horrible accident.
Yes.
And then the next day you had to go to play a tournament.
That was a very shocking accident that happened because she went to get something for me from the market because she was coming with me. It was my first junior national tournament. 2001 or 2 we were going to Guntur. रात की ट्रेन थी and she was getting the stuff. I think एक बाइक आ रही थी रोड क्रॉस करते वक्त and she took a step back and front. थोड़ा confusion हो गया I think वहाँ पे. And the bike hit her and suddenly I was not there but I got a news saying that काफ़ी blood आया था and she was but at the right point of time Papa was coming back from office and he saw I don't know so many people were there and कुछ ऐसा luckily he stopped the car, he was there and he took her with him and Papa called me up and he was like 8 stitches बोल रहे हैं doctor and there was a lot of
it was on the head.
Yeah,
so
it was on the
quite
head.
a serious accident.
Very serious and he was like you go ahead, I will take care of her but at this point we can't say about her health. I was like Papa, what are you saying? You go ahead, you play the tournament. And that's the same thing my coach also was saying. You go ahead and play the tournament. We are there to take care of her. And you have trained so hard for last 1-2 months for this first junior national tournament. And there's one more year again then. I was like, no, I will wait. My mom is, I can't go without her. She's coming with me to all the tournaments and I want to go with her. He was like, you better go. You have trained really hard, you will perform well and we will take care of her, don't worry.
Wow.
And these were the words from my father, from my coach and I was really emotional. In the train I was crying, I was like, you don't know what is going to happen. They shifted her from one hospital to other hospital and when I reached there next day morning, I don't know how I practiced, I was like my heart was there only and my father was like, don't worry, she's out of danger and we just want you to perform well and I'm taking care of her. And the coach also took the next day morning train to Guntur because he wanted to be present there for me in the tournament and he came to me and I was like, don't worry, your mom is fine and she will recover in few days and you just better perform and give her that medal,
Nice.
We have trained so hard for that and I'm sure she will be happy for that.
Did you win?
I lost in the finals and that was my first time. The second time I won the next year, but that year nobody expected because I was under 16 and under 13 national champion, but under 19 मेरा first time था and I played the finals. I beat few top players who were defeating me back to back. So I beat them and reached the finals. So she was very proud of me. She was like, very well done. And I'm so proud that you could take the decision of going there at the age of 11, 12. And of course, full credit to Papa that he was like, you go ahead and we will take care.
So this is another aspect of a champion, which is the will to win, right? Now, the will to win is not just a thought process of saying, I want to win. How can you describe this, right? Because now we are entering into that zone that never say die.
Yes.
कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे जाना है, मुझे करना है, मुझे जीतना है.
I think will to win is there in everyone. Everyone wants to win. Even when I used to train with so many girls and in training they used to be ahead of me 400 meters में या running sprints, most of the girls were ahead of me. फिर आती है मैचेस के बारी, कोर्ट पे खेलने की बारी, एंड देन व्हेन आई प्ले अगेंस्ट देम दे यूज्ड टू लूज बैडली टू मी एंड दे वर लाइक हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल, वी आर ट्रेनिंग सो हार्ड, बेटर देन साइना, रनिंग फास्टर देन, हाउ इज इट पॉसिबल दैट वी आर लूजिंग एंड वी आर नॉट एबल टू कंट्रोल द शॉट्स लाइक हाउ शी इज डूइंग. सबका जैसे आपने पहले मेंशन किया था टैलेंट ज़रूर होता है, यू नो सम पीपल लाइक टू पुट इन द कोर्ट एंड रन अराउंड एंड पिक अप द शटल्स, मेक द अपोनेंट, कुछ लोग मिस्टेक कर देते हैं इवन इफ दे आर फिट इनफ, but they want to win, they really want to win. And कुछ लोगों को this point is very important, naturally winning आता है, how to win it, but if you have not trained well enough, आप कैसे भी हारेंगे match. So the thing is how well you're trained. Of course the training is important, but on court how you train is also very very important. So there are two type of trainings, because badminton is also very skillful game.
Of course, it is.
You have to train outside, plus you have to train very good on court as well. तो मेरा जो ट्रेनिंग कोर्ट पे था, इट वाज फैंटास्टिक, यू नो, आई टू पिक अप द शटल, आई टू प्ले फैंटास्टिक शॉट्स, हिट वेरी हार्ड स्मैशेस, नेवर लीव द शटल. इफ द कोच यूज्ड टू से 100 बार करना है, मैं 200 टाइम्स करती थी. द कोच ऑल्सो यूज्ड टू समटाइम्स बी लाइक कम, नो प्रॉब्लम इफ यू डू लिटिल लेस. आई वाज लाइक नो सर, अच्छा करना, नींद नहीं आएगी नहीं तो, यू नो, मुझे खाना नहीं जाता था अंदर अगर वो एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट नहीं करते थे तो हम लोग. एंड यू नो विल टू विन वाज लाइक, मेरे जो कलीग्स थे वो भी लाइक साइना हमें भी जीतना है, हमें भी अच्छा करना है. आई एम लाइक वी ऑल आर फाइटिंग फॉर दैट, बट इफ़ यू आर नॉट 100% फिट इनफ ऑन कोर्ट, अगर आपका स्टेमिना, स्पीड, स्मैशेस, स्ट्रोक्स सब कुछ बेस्ट नहीं है तो हाउ विल यू विन. सो दिस इज़ नॉट अबाउट विनिंग कि आपको कोर्ट पे जीतने के लिए जाना है, आपको कोर्ट पे जाना है कि आप 100% रेडी हैं टू गिव योर बेस्ट. सो इट्स नॉट अबाउट विनिंग और लूजिंग. विनिंग और लूजिंग इज़ द लास्ट थिंग, but how well you are prepared for that match, how well you have done for that particular tournament. So I have never thought about कि मुझे ये टूर्नामेंट नेक्स्ट टूर्नामेंट जीतना है. मैंने सिर्फ सोचा है कि मुझे अच्छा ट्रेनिंग करना है, सो दैट आई कैन स्लीप वेल, आई कैन ईट वेल, नहीं तो मुझे नींद नहीं आएगी.
So the process gives you the strength of the will to win.
That's all. It's not going to be like, आपके माइंड में है, सबके माइंड में, everyone is a champion. For me, everyone is a champion because everyone has some kind of quality in them, but it's just that आप उसको कैसे आप बाहर निकालेंगे.
What is the role of mental strength here?
Everything comes down to same thing, how well you are prepared. So your mental strength, your physical strength, and
Comes from preparation.
comes from preparation. How much ever you have trained well, you are going to perform well.
Excellent.
It's not going to be मैं बैठी हूँ, opponent training कर रहा है and I'm like मैंने आज मैच देख लिया and I'm prepared for the match and I have done 50% of the training and my opponent is doing like 100% of the training, and it's not going to happen. Impossible you're going to win the match. That's because you're going to be dead in between the match. When the match is going for 1 hour 10 minutes, how are you going to sustain? The rallies में थक जाओगे आप, next rally में you're dead. Because Chinese, Koreans are they're machines. You are going to have them in first round, second round, third round, fourth round. How are you going to? Yes. How are you going to defeat them in back-to-back rounds? So again, it's not about winning the tournament. It's about how well you are prepared for the first round. Because first round is challenging for everyone. अगर आपने first round cross कर लिया तो many times people win the championship. अगर आपने फर्स्ट राउंड हार गए तो इट्स अ चैलेंज फॉर यू, बिकॉज फर्स्ट राउंड इज समथिंग वेयर यू हैव टू टेस्ट द कोर्ट कंडीशंस, यू हैव टू टेस्ट हाउ द शटल इज, योर एयर कंडीशनिंग, एवरीथिंग मैटर्स इन द फर्स्ट राउंड. एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू ट्रेन लाइक दैट. तो द ट्रेनिंग में भी ऐसी कंडीशन होनी चाहिए दैट द AC इज लाइक दैट, द शटल इज मूविंग हियर एंड देयर, सो दैट यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट इट प्रॉपर्ली. And of course, again comes
that is the infrastructure we need.
Sometimes when you play practice sessions, you are only playing without the air conditioning. You don't, obviously it's expensive, I understand, but in competition you are playing in such मतलब ऐसा लगता है कभी कभी तो आप बाहर बैडमिंटन खेल रहे हैं.
The margin of error is very small.
Very small. And when you are playing especially women singles, it's all about running. इतना ज़्यादा स्टेमिना होना चाहिए आपके पास कि sometimes you have to forget smashing also, that you have to just rally and win the game. So for women singles, it's even more challenging that you have to pick up, every rally should be more than 50-60 strokes, and you have to make yourself so strong physically that mentally you are not giving up. अगर आप tired हो जाएंगे तो mentally you are going to give up. That's also everything for a sports person, everything is how your body is. मेंटली आप कितना भी मेडिटेशन कर लीजिए, आप अपने आप को कितने भी वीडियोस देख लीजिए मेंटली स्ट्रांग होने के लिए, बट हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू मेक योरसेल्फ मेंटली स्ट्रांग इज ओनली व्हेन यू आर लाइक 100% फिजिकली स्ट्रांग कि आज मेरे साथ तू 100 रैलीज भी कर लेगा, एंड आई विल सी.
What you are saying is that you cannot, like you can make your body strong, you cannot make your mind strong through exercises.
Yes, but I want to also put this point. Some people are extraordinarily talented and hardworking, and they are so strong, but फिर भी out मारते हैं. You know, and that is what I sometimes don't understand. You know, obviously the coaches can give you a better answer about that. And I'm like, यार इतने talented players हैं, इतनी अच्छी fitness है, why are they hitting out? और भी एक्स्ट्रा एफर्ट लगाने पड़ेंगे आपको कि कैसे मुझे शटल को अंदर डालना है बस. मे बी आपको सोचना है कि वो लाइन एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करती, सेंटर लाइन में खेलना है. 10 में से 2 ऐसे प्लेयर्स रहेंगे जो बिल्कुल करेक्ट खेलेंगे, एंड 8 ऑफ देम विल बी लाइक दैट कि थोड़ा मिस्टेक इधर हो जाता है, उधर हो जाता है. And then they're coming to the coaches, and coaches also sometimes are like, अंदर खेलो, and then they also like अंदर खेलो, and that's
वही खेल रहा हूँ सर, लेकिन नहीं हो रहा है.
I would say मेरे में एक ये गिफ्ट था that I used to never give up and play a lot of shuttles inside. वो मेरे में एक पेशेंस था and confidence था कि मैं अंदर रखूँगी, and I will see how far the rally goes. And it's only because I had the stamina to continue the rally.
बैडमिंटन में माइंड गेम्स खेलते हैं आप?
Definitely होता है. But I was someone who was very relaxed kind of a player. I am an aggressive player, but I should never kind of disturb my opponent. But there are many players who want to disturb the opponents, and that's fine. You know, again, it comes down to how well you're prepared.
कैसे होता है? What are mind games in badminton?
They will definitely try to आपको बारी-बारी अंपायर के पास जाके बोलेंगे ये गलत कर रहे हैं, सर्विस रॉन्ग कर रहे हैं, या that's right, that's out. मतलब they'll keep irritating you in between rallies to concentration disturb करने के लिए, and they will go and keep changing the shuttles. शटल चेंज करते रहेंगे. Initially I used to feel little bit मतलब गुस्सा आता था, but then over the years when I played matches and when I tried to make my game like के कुछ भी हो जाए मैं मैच जीतूंगी, and I have to be relaxed. You know, even if she takes 10 minutes break, injury break भी लेगी, तो I have to make myself like that कि उसके बाद उतरते ही रैली करूंगी तो मैं जीतूंगी रैली.
Nice. One thing baffles me, Saina, is in a match you're playing, it's a very intense match, and your opponent is on match point,
जी.
okay, and you're here, and from there you go on to win the match, right? Not just that point, but at that point when your opponent is on match point,
जी.
what happens?
That is when you understand, यार गेम हाथ से जा रहा है, and you have trained really well. This should not happen like this. You know, you should not give silly mistakes like that when you have really prepared for this match, and the coaches are behind you, they're giving you right inputs. Why don't you, sometimes, you know, in nervousness you don't play the right shot, it goes out. You know, you have to control your feelings however best you are, but you are going through some nervous feelings, and everyone goes through that. So when your coach is saying just play that shot and be ready for the next one, do what you're good at, you know, do your rallies and let's see how it goes. And sometimes you forget that for 2-3 points, and then suddenly you realize match point hai, you know, you suddenly become a little alert, and then you want to be more like careful. Now everything has to fall inside. बस जो coach ने बोला वो follow करना है, and then suddenly, you know, it works well. When you're
come back
confident,
to your senses and
yes, it happens. You know, even Djokovic said that if you're not nervous, you're not a player. Every player is nervous.
Nice.
But how you handle it is a challenge.
What happens when you are on a match point, and how do you ensure that अभी ये convert ही करना है?
Actually, एक बार हुआ था मेरे साथ जब you know I was 19-10 up, and that was the only time I lost the match. 19-10 in the third set, and I lost 21-19. Wow. So that was the only time actually, I think, and once in the Olympic quarterfinals I was up 11-3, and in the third set, and I was only 18, and I was like, I'm coming very close to get an Olympic medal in my first appearance, and what my mom actually dreamt for me, I'm actually coming close to it. You know, at the age of 18, I'm thinking all that on the court. Can you believe it? And suddenly my mind went blank, and I was like, 11-3 के बाद वो छोड़ नहीं रही है, and now she's retrieving everything. Actually, she was tired, but suddenly she got that, I don't know what kind of josh back in her again, that she's now 11 all, 12 all.
Did she sense you are distracted?
I don't know, I was not distracted. I was just like, if you see the game now, I also see the game because I can't believe how I lost that match. That was the only time, I think 1-2 matches I've lost in my entire career, which was like that. So when I sit back and see the matches, I'm like, how is it even possible? We did such long rallies. It was not like I'm giving small mistakes as well. It was such big match. And after 11-3, she didn't leave anything. And after the match is over, I think after 11-3 ke baad, I got 2 points and she won the match, 21-13. And I went to her and I asked what happened, and she was like, my coach told me now pack your bags and we are leaving because Olympic comes once in 4 years.
Wow.
After the match is over, I'm sitting there for 3-4 hours. I go to the room and I speak to Gopi sir. Gopi sir is like, you have to report tomorrow again to training, and we start again next 4 years, and let us see, in 2012 we have to win a medal. I'm like, he's thinking for the next Olympics and I'm still not able to overcome this. How is it even possible that I lost this match? But you know, after that match, I realized one thing, that whenever you are up 11-3 ho ya 18-10 ho, just think about that you have 10 more points to go or 20 more points to go. Just don't think about that you have a few more points to go. I think that mindset really helped me. And in 2012, when I was playing quarterfinals against Tine Bond, she was, I think, world number 4 or 5. And now I'm down 2017 in the second game.
Okay.
First game I won, and I was like, oh my God, now I have to think that 10 more points are there because this time I'm down. So I made it 20 all, and I won 20 to 20.
That's the bronze
Oh
medal
my
you got.
God, that was, I played the semifinals then.
What does discipline mean for you?
So for me, discipline is that how well you are ready for the next day practice. You know, how well you are eating. So nowadays even this watches come up. So now you have
Also very
your coach is
monitor
looking
ho
into
raha hai.
monitoring that, and he's like, रात में सही से नहीं सोए. Then he's going to check out कि कितना training देना है, क्या देना है. But this can't happen every day. But if you want to achieve something in life, you should also be careful. Not your coaches, you know. आपको खुद को भी ये लेना पड़ेगा एक क्या बोलते हैं, एक जिम्मेदारी. You know, this is something
Consistently being responsible for
yes,
your goal.
responsibility is what is important, because I've seen many international players when league matches हो जाते थे या tournament हो जाते थे, they are so responsible that मैंने ये पी लिया तो शायद मेरा 1 किलो वेट बढ़ जाएगा, शुगर ले लिया तो वेट बढ़ जाएगा. Now then they become a little bit more responsible after winning so much, after the coaches have so much confidence in them and they look up to them कि ये कुछ बन सकता है, and then you cheat yourself, then that's when आपको result नहीं आएगा.
This also takes a lot of maturity in understanding that yes, you have achieved a lot, but you have still a lot to achieve.
Yes.
Right? And we have seen, not all, but most champions like you
Right.
are also very humble. Now, does this humility come from all the trials and tribulations that you've gone through in your journey to become a champion? Does this come from the victories and losses?
Most of the sports persons are very humble, sir. I think all of them are. Basically, I come from a background, middle class family. Papa is always busy with the work. Mummy is dedicated to something that इसको champion बनाना है. जो ग्रुप था मेरा बचपन से, जो मेरे कोचेस थे, जो रहे हैं, वो सब इतने हम्बल हैं, इतने डाउन टू अर्थ हैं. ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू विन टूर्नामेंट्स, आपको इनिशियली नया नया लगता है कि आई एम द बेस्ट, आई हैव अचीव्ड सो मच, एंड थोड़ा बहुत एटीट्यूड दिखाने के जैसा हो जाता है. एंड देन ऑल दिस पीपल अराउंड मी आर लाइक, तेरे पे सूट नहीं होता है, यू बेटर नॉट ट्राई इट ऑल्सो, यू नो हाउ यू आर, बी लाइक दैट, you are good like that. There is no time to actually think about yourself in sports, because when you have 20 tournaments in a year,
Excellent point.
back to back एक ही काम है, मंडे संडे जीते आप, मंडे आप घर आ रहे हैं, ट्यूसडे से ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं. So where is the time actually to go and celebrate or do anything?
Yeah. You had said that one medal does not make you a celebrity. Now, you know, this is really profound at many levels. It means a lot of things. But what it also means in the realm of sport is that you have to continuously strive for excellence.
जी.
How does one stay hungry like that?
I was actually was hungry to win always. मुझे जीतना है, मुझे forget tournaments, even normal matches what we play in practice, मुझे इसको हराना है, मुझे ट्रेनिंग उससे बेटर करना है. And whatever my coaches told me to finish those 4 rounds in the timing, I have to finish it in that time. Competition मुझे हमेशा पसंद था. 20 टूर्नामेंट्स है साल में, 4 भी ऐसा नहीं है कि 4 ग्रैंड स्लैम हैं, 4 पे फोकस करेंगे. साल में 20 टूर्नामेंट है, 18 पे तो परफॉर्म करना ही करना है, नहीं तो आपकी रैंकिंग ड्रॉप हो जाएगी. सो दैट प्रेशर इज ऑल्सो टू मच, बिकॉज यू हैव टू बी मतलब फिजिकली ऑल राइट थ्रू आउट द ईयर. फीवर नहीं हो सकता है, कोल्ड नहीं हो सकता है, आप 2 हफ्ते के लिए ब्रेक नहीं ले सकते हैं. सो देयर सो मेनी रिस्ट्रिक्शंस दैट यू हैव टू बी सो मच केयरफुल अबाउट कि आपका 1-2 टूर्नामेंट मिस होना इज इक्वल टू 2 पॉइंट रैंकिंग का नीचे उतरना. एवरीथिंग इज चैलेंज इन स्पोर्ट्स. इट्स टफ, बट वट एवर यू अचीव इन दैट शॉर्ट पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, पीपल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर यू, एंड दैट्स वॉट इज अ ग्रेट थिंग अबाउट स्पोर्ट्स. स्पोर्ट्स पर्सन आर ऑलवेज वेरी मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगता है उनको देखना You know, I am a big fan of Roger Federer, Djokovic. और मुझे ऐसा कुछ लगता नहीं है कि किसी इंजीनियर को या डॉक्टर को ऐसा हम देखते हैं पेपर में या उनके कोई मैचेस देखते हैं ऐसे. There's so many of them.
And that is because we get a sense of pride.
Definitely.
We get a sense of pride when we see your photograph in the newspaper. We get a sense of pride when we see you chewing the Olympic medal on TV. We feel good when you do well. You know, it's a very interesting phenomenon. आपने जो बोला ये हमने सब कर लिया. And then we are all prepared and everything. And then we go on the court. And then you hit a, you know, smash, a very good smash. And the shuttle goes and hits the top of the net, waits there for a millisecond or two, and then decides, यहाँ पे अगर गिरना है या वहाँ पे गिरना है, right? Now, what is this? Is this just luck? And if it is, then how do you deal with it?
I think we should not depend on luck that much, sir, because sometimes, you know, when I've come back from even injuries after 3-4 months, इतने बार मेरे शटल ऐसा टच करके गिरे होंगे. Luck only favors a person who is working hard, for sure.
Not the brave, yes.
And it is going to happen, and again, it is going to happen only 1-2 points.
Correct.
And you are playing so many points.
Correct.
So that is only going to happen if you are going to kill your body.
And that's a nice way of looking at it. अगर उनको points मिलते हैं तो मुझे भी मिलेंगे. Saina, you're not just a champion to us. You're a youth icon. You're a great role model. It will be very important for the youth out there to benefit from, let's say, 3 Saina Nehwal mantras.
Yes.
What would those be?
In my career, always it's only hard work, and hard work. Only one mantra will take you to the best.
Those are the 3 mantras.
Those are the 3 mantras because there is no shortcut in sports.
Excellent.
I've never seen any kind of shortcut.
No shortcut anywhere.
I can only tell about sports because वही देखा है life में. In my experience, I can only say that कि मेरे hard work से ही मुझे as a extraordinary sports person बोला गया है. And काफ़ी हद तक talented sports person को मैंने देखा है जो इतने talented हैं, इतना उन्होंने हार्ड वर्क किया है, इतने टूर्नामेंट जीते भी होंगे, बट उतने साल वो उधर सस्टेन नहीं कर पाए बिकॉज दे थॉट कि टैलेंट से हो जाएगा शायद. बट जो मेहनत करते हैं वो अपना जो टैलेंट है वो भी टर्न करके यू नो बेस्ट बन जाते हैं. एंड दे डिड दैट फॉर लॉट ऑफ इयर्स. इफ यू सी द मैचेस ऑफ लिंडन एंड ली चोंगवे, दे बोथ आर सो गुड विद देयर ट्रेनिंग, फिटनेस, दे आर सो फास्ट. बट मुझे लगा नहीं कि दे वर द मोस्ट टैलेंटेड वंस. जो टैलेंटेड इसमें था वो था तौफिक हिदायत जो अपने इंडोनेशिया से हैं. लेकिन दीज आर द पीपल हु डोमिनेटेड लाइक एनीथिंग फॉर 10-15 ईयर्स. बट ये मेरे लाइफ में मुझे यहाँ तक लेके गया व्हेन आई हैड नो रोल मॉडल टू लुक अप टू. I had nobody to look up to. Now the youth have, the youngsters have me, Sindhu, Shrikant, Pranoy, everyone in top 10. Chirag Satvik, winning Asian Games gold, winning Asian Championship gold. So now the young generations have all the gold medalists, world number ones in front of them.
What would you like to be remembered as or remembered for?
Most of the people like me because think the never give up attitude जो है, and then fighting spirit, and of course changing the scene of badminton in India, and I was one of them to do that. People remembering me as fighter who did well for the country and achieved so much, and believed that I could change the scene of badminton in India.
I would remember you as not just Bharat ki beti but Bharat ki sherni.
Thank you.
I think that's who you are for us. I remember Gopi Chand had once said, and I quote him, that Saina, you are India's gold. And I so agree with him, right? And we all wear you on our hearts as our gold, Saina, and we'll keep doing that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much
Thank you.
for coming here, but more importantly, inspiring all of us. Thank you so much.